Hello friends, as I promised, this is my next video. So we are going to discuss about health safety policy. So what is health safety and policy? Actually, this policy it should be in every organization who has more than 5 employees. So these things, the employer should be provide for all offices and all visible locations, notice boards in various languages. Suppose we are working in Dubai, so it should be at least two languages, like Arabic and English. So when I was working in Descon Engineering, they were providing in three languages: Arabic, English, Urdu. So it should be depend on the organization which kind of requirement available they are, what they required. So we can say health safety and policy, it is the top management commitment. So it is a overall organization health safety management system. It is view of overall organization, and we can say it is a document which is signed by most senior person of the company, like CEO. So this is the thing we are going to discuss now. So first of all, we have to know there is three parts of health and safety policy. We can say a statement of intent, organization, arrangement. So what is the statement of intent? So that is the commitment. The employer, the company, they have some commitment what they will do. So they have their own policy, health and safety policy, like road safety policy, drug and alcohol policy, health safety environment policy, and according the requirement they are providing policies. So these policies made by the employer, and it should be provided when they are going to submit their HSE plan. It should be along with HSE plan to submit to the client, and the client also they verify, they review the health and safety policies. So, friends, what is the aim of health and safety policy? What is the main purpose of health and safety policy? The main purpose of health and safety policy to minimize the accident and protection of people, and and also it is help us to increase our productivity. If we are going to follow safety, it is increase our productivity. So okay, let's just start the three points of health and safety policy. There is three parts of health and safety policy: is a statement of intent. So it is already we discussed. It is the top management commitment where they are committing, they are committed, what they required, what is their policy, how they will handle the organization. This is their commitment. So after that we have organization. Organization means they allocate everybody role and responsibilities in the company. So these things they are allocating in our company role and responsibility, like managers, supervisors, engineers, workers. It is the we can say this is the organization. They are allocating this type of role and responsibility. So the last content is we can say arrangement. So this arrangement is very important for our organization. You can understand. So these things in our organization, they have to monitor. They have to know what they provided in health and safety policy. Uh, it is implemented or not, and if implemented, which type of more requirement, what they will do to implement it more. So it has so many things to allocate them to implement them, like permit to work system, task risk assessment, safe system of work, uh, log out, tag out. So any procedure which is the giving us a more protection, it is coming in arrangement. So it is the employer responsibility to provide arrangement for their workers, for their employees. They have to provide training, various training like scaffolding training, confined space training, and work at height training, related excavation if required, those kind of training, and permit to work training. If they require permit to work third party training, they have to provide approved training training provider, course provider. They will provide their various training. So this is the things coming in arrangement. So we can say there is policy and procedures also. There is two parts, policy and procedure. Policy already we understand, it is the legal requirement, is top management commitment, is the signed by most senior person of the company like CEO. This is the more than five employees, they have to provide this thing. It is the written documents for protection of health, safety and environment. This is the many things we can understand. So it should be displayed in all offices. So you can say the policy, but there is one procedure also. What is the procedure? Procedure means what is the returning policy? It should how it should be and how it is going to implement a site procedure. So suppose we are going to site. Suppose we are going to site. So the procedure is the policy. You have to use the vehicle. The procedure, the driver should be trained, the vehicle should be inspected, and it should go the approved way. This is the things of procedure. So this is the only small difference between procedure and policy. So we can say policy top management commitment very easy, and procedure what is the coming in policy we have to follow according the procedure. Procedure, this is the procedure. So friends, thank you very much.